Hey guys, Moshe the Electric Israeli on FSD. Here we go. And last night, I got the Grok, not the Grok, yes, the Grok, the update 25.26.4. There was a little update, a little minor fixes. And basically, you get two great things. One is cute, and that is the light show inside the car. So you put a song and it does the light show. It's great at night. Here I'm showing you now. Obviously I can do it with the music because it's copyright and all that, but it's very cute. That's all it is. It's cute. If you like music like me, excuse me, then it's really great. However, the second part, that's what I care about the most. The Grok. Basically, let me make it simple. You have a personal assistant inside the car for anything that you want. I tested it last night. Tell me the story of Exodus from Egypt.
They're building cities like Pithom and Ramses, suffering under brutal overseers. Enter Moses, a Hebrew raised in Pharaoh's court after being found as a baby in a basket on the Nile, a real rags to riches vibe, until he flees Egypt after killing an abusive Egyptian. Fast forward, God calls Moses from a burning bush on Mount Horeb, tasking him to free the Israelites. Moses, with his brother Aaron, confronts Pharaoh, demanding, "Let my people go." Pharaoh's like, "Nope."
Or if you want anything. So I'm on my way home. Let's see if I can find a good coffee place on my way home. So basically you press and hold the speaker button for a little bit, and then it comes up. Grok, can you find me a good coffee place on my way home now?
There's a Just Love Coffee Cafe on your way home with great reviews for their hand-roasted coffee and waffle treats. Perfect for a quick stop. Want me to check for something closer or with specific vibes, like cozy or fast drive-through?
No thanks. Appreciate it.
No problem. Glad to help.
I love this woman. I mean, this Grok is just great. Now, I like to do videos, especially when I drive. And sometimes, you have something, I'm ADHD. And something comes up to my mind, boom, I want to do something. But sometimes you need research. Now you have an assist, you have a source. So I made a video about the deal between a Tesla and Samsung. And right there, right on the spot, she can fact check me, add some information. Basically, you have a co-pilot, somebody next to you who you can have a conversation. Now, I take massive long drives during the year. I live in northern New Jersey. I go to Florida at least once a year, sometimes twice. This year would be twice. I went already. Now I have a co-pilot. Now I have somebody that I can discuss. Read me a story about this and this and that and the other. Find me a coffee place. How about find me a good restaurant to stop on the way? What do you think? Forget the scores. So now, as a driver, as a passenger, you can do it on your own, using anything you want. But now, as a driver, so I'm here by myself. As a driver, you can absolutely enhance your driving experience. Not enhance, much more than enhance, improve dramatically your driving experience in a real world. I mean, what's the biggest thing about Tesla now is the real world. This is not sitting on a computer in the office, which is it's very important, and looking up stuff. This is in the real world. Right now, as I drive autonomously, this AI, this Grok AI, can help me in certain practical things, not just fun things. Not just fun things, in practical things. Anything that you want, anything I can think of. All right. Now, it does make you more silo. I mean, what if my wife was here? I can tell you, when my wife is here, she's like or if she drives and I'm next door, we help each other if we need to find something. But it just makes it so easy and so quick to have your car experience enhanced. Imagine if there's a passenger in the back, okay, and he wants to use the back screen. I don't know how it's going to be done to enhance his ride experience by looking up stuff, music, whatever you want. It's just unbelievable. Now you do have to have premium connectivity, obviously, so you can, otherwise you can do it on a Wi-Fi when you park in a supercharger at home. But other than that, it is an unbelievable experience. Yes, Tesla's big main business is selling cars still, but the car is no longer just a vehicle from A to B. The car is now taking you anywhere and does anything that you want autonomously and safely, and it's now your assistant, personal. It's incredible. I never thought I lived the day to see this, but it is incredible. Thank you guys for watching. Here's a word from my sponsor. Hey guys, Moshe the Electric Israeli here with my Tesla Model Y Juniper launch model. These are the cross-flow caps, okay, rim covers that come with the Tesla. They're very nice, but as you know, if you own a Tesla car, you know all about the curb rash, okay? Because if you see here, in almost every Tesla rim cover, it doesn't cover all the way, okay? See, it gets all the way here. So that's why you get curb rash. Let me show you one. Here it is. Here's one. Okay, curb rash. This is just happened. So I got these beautiful hubcaps cross flow from EV Base, my sponsor. If you use my code, I'm going to put it in the video, you can get up to 10 or 20%, depends on the season. They're really great. I already installed one. Look at that. You can also order the Tesla sticker if you'd like to put it. I like it this way. It's really, really nice. It's very easy to install. So I installed one. Let me show you a trick of how to get the Tesla covers, because they're a little bit tricky. Okay, there's one here in front of me. Okay, see, I took it out already. I can keep it. I'm going to keep it as a spare for whatever reason. Maybe I can sell it, but these are really nice and aggressive. So let me show you how to do this. Okay, I'm right in front of the caps, the actual Tesla ones, the cross flow. Now I took a little screwdriver because they you can't just rip them out. So it's a little difficult. So basically, you just stick it right here, and then you just watch your fingers. Then it will pop. Okay, it will pop just like this. Watch. Okay. It pops. So you do like 2 or 3 of them in the top, and then the whole thing comes up. Otherwise, it's not easy to take out. I can tell you that. It's not easy to take out. Okay, then you take another one, and if you feel like it, you can take another one. So this way, you can absolutely pop them out, and it's easy. See, you get 3. And then you just pop it out like so. Now you get the new wheel cover. That is very easy to install. You see, it comes in this bubble wrap. You take it out like this, and then you make sure you find the air pipe. Okay, right here you align it. And it's easier to install, much easier to install, like it's one piece. You make sure it's in. That's it. Now, here we go. Now, this is cover. You see, so the curb rash will not go on the top of the rim. It's covered. Okay? So here it is. You see? It is covered. The whole rim is covered. Now the rim is protected. Let me show you here. The rim is covered. The rim is protected as opposed to what we had before. Let me show you on the other side again. See? Here the rim is not protected. See that? The rim is not protected, so we get all these curb rashes. All right? You want to protect your beautiful car, right? So go ahead, go to EV-Base website, use my code TEI, the Electric Israeli, and you get some nice discounts. Okay? Thanks.